Everybody.
Hi.
We heard there was a 50% off the clearance at Kohl's, so you know what we did.
We jumped in the car and we hightailed it right over to Kohl's.
It's the first day that this is going on, so we want to make sure that's not going to get all picked over.
And here I am in the underwear section looking for underwear and socks. Let's see how it goes.
Michelle's probably in the underwear section. We split up already to cover some more ground. And I'm in the underwear section of the guys, seeing if I can find the clearance parts, and then I'm going to head over to the toys.
When I find myself in the middle of like overwhelming clearance, what I start doing is actually picking up all of the same styles because I'm gonna buy a lot, but I don't want to take up a lot of space. And when you have multiples to list, it makes it so much easier. And so yeah, check it out, guys. These are on sale for $7.50. They're jockey, and there are 3 pairs in each little set. So
Most likely because Christmas is right around the corner, I cannot find a single toy with a clearance sticker, nor any men's underwear, but I found this Columbia Performance Fishing Gear shirt, long sleeved, with the sales to be $7, and I think we'll get near, $40 for that. Brand new pair of Dickies, this is $8.85 and 50% off. Are you kidding? No brainer there.
I always end up on the floor, hanging out in the underwear section. I am finding these bralettes. They're from Hanes and Bally, and this is like $13 for 2 of these, which is great. And then it's 50% off, so it's like $7 for 2 of them. There's a whole bunch of them. And like I said earlier, if you didn't know, we're trying to downsize the size of our inventory. So socks and underpants are like right up there with, the good stuff.
Now, a lot of the Levi's here are priced at $48.50, so that's, $24 or so with a sale. I finally found one, $5.59 relaxed straight, 31, so it's going to be like around $16. And these go for, $40 or so plus shipping, I think we can get. Here's one more pair of Levi's, the classic 501. These are skinny and they want $27, so about $14 for this pair. And again, we can get probably $40 to $45 plus shipping for these. Here's a pair of Lee regular fit straight leg, and they want, with the sale, it'll be $7 and some odd cents, and oh my gosh, these are going for at least 25 bucks.
It's a bathing suit bonanza. What a great time to look at some suits, because you know what? It's going to be spring break before you know it.
I don't usually check out the kids section, but this shirt caught my eye, and for only like $5.50, this is a SpongeBob SquarePants button-up. I mean, look at this thing. I wish this was extra large in adult size. Here's something that's really fun, a Peanuts Beagle Scout tackle box. Now, I'm glad I checked these closely. There's actually 4 of them. I would have grabbed them all, but not all of them have this little clasp here. And they want, on this sale here, I'll be getting these for $4.50. It looks like they sell for at least 20 plus shipping, so grab that. A Hurley insulated lunch box for only $6.25. Pretty cool.
I'm on my way to find Dustin. I haven't seen him yet since we got here, so I'm going to go to the toy section. But he might be in the ladies' underpants, now that he's discovered the value in them.
I think I spotted Michelle down there somewhere in that nice bright yellow shirt. Ah, there she is. We'll see what she found.
Just walking around looking for you.
Oh my gosh, I know the store seems pretty huge.
How'd you do?
I did alright.
It's kind of fun meeting up and not knowing what we're going to get.
I know, I was wondering what you were looking at. Did you hit the underwear section yet?
It's the first place I went.
Yeah, okay. I didn't find any in the men's.
I didn't find any socks in the men's either. So do you want to see what I found?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Awesome. Very good. How much are those?
Those were $12.
Okay.
So I have to kind of check them out, but they're Nike and they're brand new and they look like oversized
Yeah,
sleeve shirts.
those are great. I like those.
Thank you. I also picked up this one just because I liked the sparkles on it.
Okay.
And it's $12, so I have to think about this too. But again, it's got the little label.
Yeah.
It's brand new.
Very
It's got
nice.
the sparkles. I love it. I actually love it. I found some Nike shorts, and I got a bunch of them. I got these. I got these really fun ones with the stars, which I think are just fabulous.
Oh my gosh, what are we paying for those right there?
$5.
$5? Awesome.
Yeah, and these are awesome. So these are the same. Those will be easy to list. I think they're the same size too.
Awesome.
Under Armour, cute little shorts.
Okay.
These are all $7.
Okay.
And another pair of Columbia. These are $4.50.
Awesome.
Columbia shorts.
That's cool.
I got a couple pairs of packages of underwear. These are $7 for 5.
Okay.
And these are $7 for like another 6 of them in there. Yeah, you get a free one.
Oh,
So
great.
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
This is 50 cents, these underpants.
Oh my.
I only bought one single tin, and this was it because it was so cheap.
Oh, okay.
I picked this up. It's a Nike, like a workout top,
Cool.
and it's $11, and I just think it's great. I really love it. So this time around with the underwear, I'm trying to be a little bit more efficient with my time. So I tried really hard today to get things that were in the same patterns or looked the same, so that it would be easy for us to go ahead and list them.
Ah, good thinking, honey. Thanks.
Thanks, honey. And we're, better use of our time. So I bought all these.
Oh, wow. Okay.
These are packs of 3. They're
Wow.
Jockey,
Well, that's always a good brand.
great brand, and they're $7.50 for
Okay.
3 pairs.
Nice.
And I just picked them all up, and they're all the same cute print. Nice, seamless, nice full.
I haven't seen comps on that, but I would say we'll get at least $20 for those.
Oh my gosh, yeah. They're great. Great. This I found for $3.90.
Okay.
And it's 50% off.
Oh
And
my.
it's a bra, an 18-hour Playtex bra. Like,
Awesome.
score.
Wow, great deal.
Okay, so here's the underpants. These are all on sale for $7. Vanity Fair full coverage is really great. Now these are on sale. These are $10 for 3 of them.
Okay.
They're all pretty much the same because I'm trying to keep it all. And they're all, again, no, so these are $7 for 3. Sets of 3.
Oh, okay. And that's the Bali brand?
That's a Bali brand, and I did get some Jockey. Bali's always a good one to look for. And I picked up these little sports bras, and those are Hanes. I think maybe I showed you a couple of those at the beginning, but that is my score.
Yeah, great finds there, honey, I would say. For sure, yeah. Oh my gosh, so much underwear. You know how much we like underwear.
I tried to shop smarter.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
you did really good. And yeah, it'll be really easy to list. We're going to do one last go through on the store to make sure we didn't pass up any of these clearance sections. And we're going to see what we paid for all of this stuff. I'm pretty excited to find out.
Me too. It's the damage, baby.
I think $2.50.
You do? Yeah. I think it's going to be like $3.25. Can we make it through the tantalizing section of goodies?
I like to call it the gauntlet.
The gauntlet. And then you have $50 on the ProCat.
There's 37 items and a total of $282.58, and that's $763 per item. So really not so bad, considering that we're gonna get probably, $20 to $30 for each item that we picked up here today. All of those, 37.
Until the next Kohl's Cash tantalizes us.
Oh, we got 50 bucks to spend next
We got
time.
50 bucks. We're putting it on our calendar. You'll be seeing a video.
Oh, yes. Well, we hope you had a good time right along with us. And next time you go to Kohl's, we hope you find some awesome deals too.
Good luck, you guys, and thanks for spending time with us as usual.
Absolutely. That's up to you.